What if I told you that you could skyrocket your productivity and feel amazing while doing it? No burnout, no stress, just pure energized success. Today I'm sharing a game-changing approach to getting more done while actually enjoying the process from the Feel Good Productivity by Ali Abdaal's incredible framework. In 2018, Ali Abdaal is a junior doctor in the UK, working crazy hours while running a YouTube channel to help med students ace their exams. He was on the verge of burnout until he discovered a secret. Productivity doesn't have to feel like a grind. It can actually feel good. And when it does, you get more done. So let's break down his top tips from his book to make that happen for you. Point 1. Make work fun with play. Remember when you were a kid and everything felt like an adventure? Somewhere along the way, we forgot how to have fun. Ali says bringing play back into your work can make you happier and more productive. A 2020 study showed that adding small, adventurous tweaks to your day, like turning a boring task into a game, can make you feel alive and calm. So, how do you do it? Ask yourself, how can I make this task fun? Maybe crank up your favorite playlist while tackling emails, or turn your to-do list into a game. Give yourself points for every task you finish. Point 2. Tap into your personal power. Let's talk about power. Not the kind where you're bossing people around, but the kind where you feel in control of your life. Ali says you've got a wellspring of personal power inside you. Even when life throws curveballs, you can choose how to respond. Feeling stuck? Reframe failures as experiments. Didn't nail that project? Cool, try a new approach. Point 3. Recharge your energy batteries. Ever feel like your energy tank is on empty? Ali's got 2 awesome ways to recharge. First, surround yourself with positive people. Scientists call this relational energy, that buzz you get from a great convo with a friend or coworker. Try this. Instead of seeing your colleagues as competitors, treat them like teammates. Cheer them on, share a win, or do something kind. It'll spark joy for both of you. Research even shows that helping others releases happy hormones like oxytocin. That's a helper's high. Second, get creative. Drawing, writing, or even doodling can boost your energy and make you feel free. And don't forget nature. Step outside for a quick walk, or sometimes just do nothing. Yep, chilling is productive too. Point 4. Say no to avoid burnout. Doing less can make you more productive. Ali says overloading your plate, skipping breaks, or working on stuff that doesn't light you up can tank your mood and lead to burnout. I've been there, saying yes to every project until I was drowning. Get picky. Say no to tasks that don't matter so you can focus on what does. And treat breaks like oxygen. You need them. It's like hitting the reset button. Point 5. Align your work with your dreams. Last but not least, Ali says true productivity comes from aligning your work with what you really want in life. Grab a pen and try this. Write down where you'll be in 5 years if you keep doing what you're doing. Now imagine a different path, one where you chase what makes you happy, no limits. Maybe it's starting a business, traveling, or learning a new skill. Which path excites you most? So these are the 5 ways to boost your productivity while feeling amazing. Add play, tap into your power, recharge with people and creativity, say no to avoid burnout, and align your work with your dreams. Tell me, which tip are you trying first? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Let's make productivity feel good together. See you in the next one.